Today I'm sharing three super important and well-known watercolor combos that every nature painter should know. If you paint landscapes, these mixes are going to help you a lot. So let's start with the first one. Yellow Ochre, Sienna, and Ultramarine. Why is this combo considered classic? Because it covers the three major things you always need in nature painting: light, or natural wood tones, and deep shadow. Nature is basically built on these three elements. That's why so many landscape artists call this trio their essential forest mix. Right, let me show you a quick test so you can see how it actually looks on paper. Honestly, I really love this combination. It's one of my favorites. Now let's move on to the second combination: Viridian green, raw umber, and ultramarine. This mix is one of the most important natural green combinations in landscape painting. Viridian green on its own can look a little artificial. The key point is this: greens shouldn't be too bright or neon. They need to feel a little earthy and natural. Here I'm painting a small sketch to show you how this mix works. In this mix, each color has a specific role. Radiant brings the lively green, raw umber tones it down, and ultramarine adds coolness and depth for shadows and distance. Altogether, this gives us a green that's not neon, not too bright, but natural, shaded and deep. Exactly what you see in real nature. Now let's move on to the third important nature mix. This mix creates a cool, misty atmosphere made with raw umber, cobalt blue, and a tiny touch of radium. This mix isn't for close forests, it's perfect for distant trees, mountains, and misty mornings. Now let me show you a quick test. The first layer is very light, cobalt blue with a tiny amount of raw umber. No radiant here. For the midtones, we add a small touch of radiant. This creates a cool misty green. For the darkest areas, we mix all three colors equally with very little water. This is where we get depth and cool shadows. If you watched the video up to this point, there are a few important tips you need to know. The first tip is ultramarine. Ultramarine is a deep color, so add it slowly, drop by drop. Gradient. Gradient is a transparent color. If your mix feels muddy, it usually means there's too much raw umber. And the last step is patience. Instead of black, fill deep with transparent layers. Let each layer fully dry before the next one. Alright, my friend, now it's your turn. Go test these mixes and experiment with them. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.